Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and in a previous video, I shared with you the items I got from Walmart that were $2 and $3. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the ones that I got for $1. And just like in the previous video, I'm not going to be opening all of these items because I'm going to save some of them to give as gifts to family and friends who have little kids who might like these, or, some adults. So I will open the ones that I plan to keep for myself. So the first $1 item we have is this Wonderland Friends, and it says Disney Junior Alice Wonderland Bakery. I'm not familiar with the show, but I'm familiar with Alice in Wonderland, the story, and I see a lot of the characters here: the Queen of Hearts, the Mad Hatter, have Alice, the White Rabbit, the Cheshire Cat. I think that's how you pronounce it, and I'm not sure what this character is. It's like a little cat or a fox, I'm not sure. But I thought this would make a really good gift for someone, and it was only $1. And here's the barcode. Next, I have Princess Tiana from The Princess and the Frog, and I think she's really pretty. And this is also going to be saved to give as a gift. So I think this will make a really good stocking stuffer for Christmas. And there is the barcode on that one. I also found Ariel, and I think the packaging is really pretty. And this will also be given as a gift. There's the barcode. I did search for some other Disney princesses to see if they were all $1, but these were the only two that I could find. I found another Encanto figurine. If you saw the previous video, you know I found a set. I think there's 7 characters in that set, and I only paid $3 for that. And she is the exact same Isabella that is inside of that set. But this one comes with a bowl with the flower inside of the bowl. So she will also be a gift to someone. And here's the barcode. And my store had a lot of these Barbie Pets marked to $1. And usually the Barbie Pets are not things that I want to collect, but I know some of you guys might like those. So I wanted to share this with you. And here's the barcode. I don't know if I can get that one to really focus. And let's see what pet we got. So you get a collector's guide, and I think I'm going to save the front of this and make it into a poster for our wall. Yeah. And our pet is in a white bag that was inside of the larger bag. And we got, oh, this was not too bad. It's a little white and brown dog with a pink hat. Looks like a Mickey Mouse hat with the ears on it. And has a little green collar. Yeah, this was not too bad. I do wish that the hat was removable. Next, I found a Shopkin, and I haven't bought any of these in quite a while. So these at my store are $1. Here's the barcode. And let's see what we got. We got a collector's guide. We got Haribo Happy Cherries. And it opens. And here are the gummy cherries. And the other real little Shopkins is the Philly Swirl Jungle Swirls. Uh-oh. I ripped the packaging. So we have a little popsicle. Guess we turn like that. I found another Polly Pocket for $1. And I have one right here, and I reviewed this one in another video where I also reviewed this house that is an activity set that was $1.50. So let's get this Polly Pocket out of the packaging. But before we do that, here's the barcode. So you get a little purple dog. And I think this is his helmet because it fits pretty good on him. And here's our Polly Pocket. And it looks like she does have glasses on. The camera's not picking it up, but she has a blue shirt on with looks like a donut and pink pants and shoes. And yeah, so I think this goes with the dog. It doesn't fit on her head very well. And she comes with a spaceship, and I think it's supposed to resemble a donut. So it's pink with blue icing and sprinkles, and the inside is yellow. You can see a seat for the doll and a seat with a peg on it for the dog. And it has I guess it's not really a windshield because it's on the back side. And there's the bottom with 3 wheels. And here they are in the spaceship. And I'm guessing she's an alien since she doesn't need a helmet to breathe. But this one's pretty cute. And I did find another Polly Pocket. And this one seems to have a unicorn theme. And here's the barcode for this one. So this set comes with a pink unicorn. And I just lost it. Here's our doll. She has red hair and is pulled into a bun. She has a blue shirt on. It has a picture of a unicorn on it. And she has white pants. And you get a unicorn tricycle. You see the unicorn head with pink hair. And there's rainbows above the back tires. There's a pink seat. And it has handlebars there. And a little peg right here for her pet unicorn. And here's the doll and her pet unicorn on their unicorn tricycle. So she sits in there on the seat, and it was pretty snug. So I don't think she'll fall out. Yeah, she's in there pretty good. And the pink unicorn is just sitting on top of the little peg. And the tires do roll. So I think I got all of the smaller items in this video, and I think the next one is going to include the larger dolls and a few other larger items. So if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.